In this video, we listed the 5 best electric pressure washers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Electric Pressure Washer. The DEWALT Electric Pressure Washer in yellow offers a maximum pressure of 2,100 pounds per square inch and a maximum flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, making it suitable for a range of outdoor cleaning tasks. Its high-endurance frame allows for vertical or horizontal storage, and it comes with dedicated storage for onboard nozzle, hose, cord, and wand. The washer is designed for hassle-free mobility, weighing only 24 pounds with multiple grab points, a retractable handle, and wheels. It also includes a soap bottle for cleaning with detergent and a 25-foot kink-resistant hose. This pressure washer is expert tested and approved by the Cleaning Equipment Trade Association, CETA, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring durability and long-term use. Number 2. Westinghouse SPX3000 Washer. The Westinghouse pressure washer is a compact and lightweight cleaning tool with a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a maximum flow rate of 1.76 GPM. It features a pro-style steel extendable wand with quick connect nozzles, for quick lock wheels for easy maneuverability, and an EasyCoil nylon braided 25-foot hose. The pump automatically stops when the trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life. Additionally, it comes with a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage and is backed by a nationwide customer service and support network. Number 3. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. The Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful cleaning tool with a maximum pressure of 1,700 psi and a maximum flow rate of 1.2 GPM. It comes with a soap applicator bottle for added cleaning benefits and features onboard storage for accessories such as nozzles, hoses, and cords. The 20-feet kink-resistant hose provides long-lasting performance, while the green color adds a stylish touch. Additionally, the package includes an extremely flexible and durable hose with crush-resistant fittings, making it easier to carry and maneuver around the yard. Number 4. Joe SPX3000 Washer. The Joe Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool with a 2,030 psi and 1.76 GPM capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. It features a durable construction with stainless steel lance, solid brass fittings, and metal connections to prevent leaks. The washer comes with 5 quick connect spray tips and a soap applicator for tailored cleaning, as well as a total stop system technology that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. With a lightweight design and rear wheels, it is easy to move around, and it includes a 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, and 35-foot power cord for added convenience. Number 5. Greenworks 1600 PSI Washer. The Greenworks 1600 PSI pressure washer is an AC-powered cleaning tool that delivers a maximum pressure of 1,600 pounds per square inch and a maximum flow rate of 12 gallons per minute. It comes with a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. The product dimensions are 18.5-inch LX 10.28, WX 8.74 H and it weighs 16.98 pounds with a tank volume of 1.2 gallons. It can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability and includes a soap applicator for a complete clean look on any surface. The pressure washer also comes with 2 nozzle tips, attachable detergent bottle, and a 3-year warranty. It is perfect for cleaning cars, fences, patios, decks, driveways, garages, and other home cleaning projects, and features integrated convenience with hand carry and on-board accessory storage.